Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the assignments for this week. It is the first week of quarter 3. I just wanted to remind everybody that everyone starts off fresh. So do your best starting now, so when we get towards the end of the quarter, things will be a lot easier. So we have 2 activities to do this week, but first I want to remind you guys, make sure you're checking inbox here for any emails that I may send you guys, and then always check announcements here as well. You'll see any weekly posted announcements. So we have week number 1, quarter 3, and your instructions are you have no Zoom today. For this week, you'll complete the following assignments. You'll notice both assignments are color-coded purple, so they're not due till Friday, January 22nd. So you have a quarter 3 grading policies and class procedures acknowledgement, and you have a mile run. So you can do the mile run anytime throughout the week, and as well as the quarter 3 assignment. Just make sure you get it done by Friday, January 22nd by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the assignments. So we go to modules. You'll go to the week number 1, quarter 3 module. Notice how the other assignments are locked. You can't open them. So you have to make sure that you're watching this instructional video in its entirety in order to unlock the rest of the information. Once you've watched the video, you'll click next, and then the assignments will unlock. Okay, so for the quarter 3 policies and procedures acknowledgement, I would like for you guys to do something a little different this week. I want you guys to review this video with a parent or guardian. Okay, it's happening too often that we're having parents not understanding how the class works. You guys aren't sharing enough information with your parents or guardians, so please sit down, review this information with a parent or guardian. Once you're done with that, you're just going to click the Take the Quiz button, and then it'll take you to an acknowledgement question, and you're just acknowledging that you've watched the video with a parent or guardian and you understand and agree to grading policies, class procedures of the physical education class. You also acknowledge that if you need further assistance, you should reach out to your instructor via Canvas email and set up an appointment during office hours for further assistance. So by clicking yes, you'll get full credit. So just make sure that you are actually doing this assignment, you're watching the video with a parent or guardian so they have a better understanding of how the class operates, and if they have any further questions, they can always email us as well. Okay, so once you hit yes, you'll hit submit quiz, and you will get full credit for this assignment. Okay, it's just that easy. Okay, the video is about 14 minutes long, so it does take a little while, but it goes through the class policies, all the instructions, policies regarding makeup work, extra credit, everything. So just make sure that you're taking a good look at that. And then the next assignment is your normal mile run. So you have cardiovascular day or metaconda. So here are your instructions here. You have running outside instructions right here. Your running indoor instructions are going to be right here, and your metaconda instructions. If you need further assistance, please refer to the how-to module for instructions regarding how to use the Nike Run Club or Strava. Okay, so if you go to your module right here, you can scroll down to there's a how-to module. It's probably more towards the bottom of your classes because that module was put in at the very, very beginning of the year. So let me see if I can find it here. So here's your how-to video instructions, and it has instructions on how to do all of these, how to use Strava, how to use Nike, Metaconda, what RPE is, what the fitnessgram is all about. So make sure that if you're not understanding something, you're taking a look at this module here, and it'll help further explain how to complete certain assignments. Okay, so once you're done with that, you'll go ahead and once you've done your run, you're going to go ahead and click Submit Assignment. You'll choose how you want to upload your file. More than likely, it'll be a photo, so you'll save the photo on your desktop, choose File, insert the file right here, and then just hit Submit Assignment. Okay, if you plan to do a video, the best way to do that is to just go straight to Media here. If you want to do like Metaconda, click Record, and it'll automatically record through your camera screen, and you can record yourself doing your 10 minutes of Metaconda. You can also use your website URL, like a Google Drive, or you can just write in text entry, explain whatever you need to for the assignment. Okay, and then once you've done that, you'll just hit submit, and then you'll be good to go for the week. So you have 2 assignments this week. That's it. Due by Friday, so please make sure you're taking care of business. If you have any questions, feel free to email your instructors, and have a good week. Thank you.